My shirt is a clue for today's vlog. Hey everyone, it's Cashew. Today's adventure brings us to Masterson Station Park for the Kentucky Sheep and Fiber Festival. And the first time I was here, it was 2019, and it was a pretty good sized festival. And then COVID hit, and I was here last year, and it was about half capacity. So I'm curious to see what this year brings. So let's go find out. Our adventure starts here. This is the program and the artwork for this year's festival. In this tent, they sell fiber, but they also have livestock from their farms. So you get to meet the animals whose fiber you're buying. And it's kind of cool. You get to see skeins of yarn. It has the sheep's name on it. So let's go inside and take a look. And no fiber festival is complete without llamas and alpacas. And this baby llama is less than 48 hours old. This is a Jacob sheep, and his name is George. One of the things Morgan Farms sells is bags of washed fleece. They also sell unwashed. And on the left is fleece from a Jacob sheep. And on the right is fleece from a Shetland sheep. The two larger goats are angora, and the little one in the middle is a nigora. It's a Nigerian angora mix. And this is Jennifer, and she's with Southern Elegance alpacas, and she's taking roving and spinning it into yarn. And over here is the food section. You can get kettle corn, Thai and Vietnamese food, Greek food, ice cream and floats, and beer. For my lunch, I got Thai fried rice with some sriracha and Thai iced tea. I thought I would try the lager and the strawberry kolsch. One of the things I like about fiber festivals, aside from the livestock, is that you don't see big box companies here. These are all small business owners who put pride in their work. Let me take you around and show you some. And this is Kenzo the Border Collie, and Kenzo means wise and healthy in Japanese. Hello, Kenzo. This is Yarn Birds, and I've seen this vendor at several of the fairs.
It depends what I have had.
This is great. They have the building open this year, and they also have a lot more vendors.
Yes, definitely. That place in a way, but
And wait till you see all of the fleeces. This fleece won a blue ribbon. I've filmed this vendor before and they are excellent. They do wonderful work. So let me show you some of their stuff. A sign of the times.
These are all the same way.
Array of colors.
And all of these yarns are undyed. These are all natural colors. And look at these. These are really cool. And they were done by someone named Margaret, who's only 9 years old. And this booth does needle felting. Let me show you the work that she does.
My wife is the writer, too. She writes.
Great. Thank you. Yeah, we have.
I filmed this shop last year, and she does really great project bags. Let me show you. She also dyes her own yarn with eco-friendly materials. And this is Indiana. Hello, Indiana. And this vendor makes really great mugs. Wait till you see what he makes. And you might remember this vendor when I filmed a wool gathering in Yellow Springs. And if you wonder what you can make with yarn this color, here's your answer. You get a striped hat. Very nice. A lot of vendors include the word cat or have an image of a cat in their logo, and I love it. And she sells lots of beautiful colors. And no trip to the Sheep and Fiber Festival would be complete unless I stopped at Fiber Culture. And it's also tradition that I end the video with my friend Serena from Fiber Culture. You are the owner and manager?
Yes.
And what else can you tell people about Fiber Culture?
Fiber Culture is a 36-acre farm located in Garrett County, Kentucky. I raise sheep and alpacas, and I'm also a botanical dyer, so a lot of the things that I've made from the wool I've dyed using plant-based dyes. So I'm all about natural stuff, sustainable, living off the land. You can check me out on Instagram at Fiberculture, and also Cashew Paul is the most awesome person in the world.
Thank
so
you.
Follow his page.
And we finally have made plans, at least, to get going forward to, I've been talking about this for like 3 years now. So finally, we're going to get the ball rolling, and we're going to go down to Serena's farm and take a look at it. Right?
Absolutely,
And
I'd love that.
And I would love it. And if you love this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to like, subscribe, ring the bell. And until next time, this is Serena with Cashew, signing off.